Hello students, today we are going to study the essay Building an Internet Culture by Philip Egger. Before we continue the text of the essay, let us have an introduction of the author. Philip Egger was an associate professor of information sciences at the University of California at Los Angeles. He was born in 1960. He ran a popular email list with thousands of subscribers for many years where he talked about technology. So, when we shall study the essay, we would know that he was a technological person. The brief introduction of the essay is in this way. This essay highlights the importance of the internet as a tool for social progress that leads to establish a more democratic society. According to Philip Egger, internet is an important tool for the democratic society. The essayist in this essay offers some guidelines or directions on how to evolve an appropriate internet policy. He advises us how to evolve an appropriate internet policy, such as advocating a reduction in investment on machinery, focusing on developing people, building up an internet civil society, and using existing social networks, among others, all to work together towards a meaningfully networked society. So, in this essay, Philip Egger, the author, here advocates the use of internet in society. What we see in the essay that Philip Egger gives the thought of connecting people through internet. Today, after so many years, we feel that what he thought so many years before, we feel that how advanced his thinking was. Now, I begin the text of the essay. The first paragraph is: the internet offers the hope of a more democratic society. Philip Egger, in the very first line, says that internet is very useful. It offers the hope of a more democratic society. Means it is helpful in making the society more democratic by promoting a decentralized form of social mobilization. By promoting a decentralization form of social mobilization, it is said the internet can help us to renovate our institutions and liberate ourselves from our authoritarian legacies. The author here says that internet can be proved as a meaningful tool, or it can promote a decentralized form of social mobility or social mobilization. Means every message can be mobilized in society through the use of internet. It is said the internet can help us to renovate. Renovate means to make new our institutions and liberate ourselves. It is said that internet is helpful in making new to our institutions our institutions can be made more advanced and liberate ourselves. Internet can liberate ourselves from our authoritarian legacies. Authoritarian means the overpowering or single-headed legacies. Having rights single-handedly. The internet does indeed hold these possibilities, but they are hardly inevitable. The internet does indeed hold these possibilities. The writer here says that internet has really the possibilities of liberating us or making us free from our authoritarian rule or authoritarian attitude, and it is helpful in making new to our institutions. It has these possibilities, but they are hardly inevitable. But they are not inevitable, means they are easy to get. In order for the internet to become a tool for social progress, not a tool of oppression or another centralized broadcast medium, or simply a waste of money, concerned citizens must understand the different ways in which the internet can become embedded in larger social processes. In order for the internet to become a tool for social progress, not a tool of oppression, what we should do, that internet should be used as a tool for social progress. It should not be used as a tool of oppression or crushing others or another centralized broadcast medium. Others centralized broadcast medium. It should not be used as a centralized broadcast medium or simply a waste of money. It should not internet should not be used only as a waste of money. Concerned citizens must understand, the people must understand the different ways in which the internet can become embedded means be useful in larger social processes. The concerned citizens or the concerned people who are related to the work of computer or internet, they must understand the different ways how to use internet for social process in larger social groups.